How to add end screen on YouTube. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to add end screen on YouTube. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, you just need to upload a video as usual. Just click on create right here, click on upload videos, and then upload a video as usual. So as you can see right here, I have uploaded that specific video, and as you can see, it is also uploading in the part right here. So you can just put in here some Instagram hacks or the title that you want, and then also the description. As you can see, processing will begin shortly because this SD right here is actually really important. This is because this allows the video to be processed to quality levels. And now once it has been processed, what you need to do next is we just need to head over and click on video elements right here. So you can also click on video elements, or you can click on next right here. So let's click on next, and then in here you can actually add an end screen. You can import from video, or you can also add. So let's choose this add right here, and then in here it will open this dialog wherein it will show you here. So we can add in a video or a subscribe button. You can also add in some templates right here. You can add in 2 videos, or is this 1 video, 1 playlist, everything right here, and you can just choose what part of the video you want it to appear. So let's choose it to appear just around this mark right here on the 1 minute and 2 seconds, and then you can choose a template from here. So for that, let's choose this first one right here, and then just choose the aspect ratio you want it to be. You can also move this around. So in here on the video, you can add in something. So just click on the video right here, then just put in the best per viewer. You just need to choose this video that you want to add. It can be the most recent upload, it can be the best per viewer that is actually associated to the video that you have created. You can also just click on this choose specific video, then from in there you can choose the video that you want to add. So for this, let's click on this video right here, and as you can see, it will appear just like that. So in here on the subscribe, you can also see here your icon. So you can also show cover card outline, and if you want that to be. After that, click on save. After that, click on next. And as you can see, it will run some checks. Click on next. And then you can publish this as usual. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add end screen on YouTube. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.